Hey, want to see how to make random images like these? Well, keep watching and you'll find out. Hey guys, I'm Julian from Greyson Enterprises, an AI consultant, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make randomized images on Midjourney. So, to make random images, you could use the chaos and weird parameter. While they may be similar parameters, these two have different functions. While the chaos parameter controls how diverse the initial grids are from each other, the weird parameter controls how unusual an image compared to the previous Midjourney images. So all in all, these two do have similar functions, but they play a different role. So for initial grid images, it's like imagine a banana, right? If I put imagine a banana, it's gonna be putting the same banana in like the same kind of place. But when I put the chaos, it would put a banana in different places. For example, this chaos. Now you got many dogs, then you got one dog, then you got a dog right here, and then you got this dog. They're kind of in different areas, you know. With the weird one though, it's literally different. Different settings, different illustrations. It's just different. This look more as if like it's a cartoon. Wow, I'm like, where's the dog here? You know, like where's the dog? And then this one is just him in a forest, kind of like this one, but it looks more real. And then this is just a dog, or I don't even know what that is, but it's in some type of abandoned world or city. Okay, let's get started. Let me give you like the basics, like let's start out with let's create pirate. Okay, cool. Just like how I explained it on a regular, you know, mid journey imagine thing without parameters or any parameters, which include weird or chaos, it's just going to have a pirate like around in the same place, looking the same. It looks the same, looks the same. Maybe the hat is different because they do create different images, but it doesn't look so different. Now let's do the same thing with the chaos parameter. But let me show you something. Now they do have things in set from 0 to 50. Same with weird, they do have things set from 0 to 1000. This just modifies how chaotic you want the image to be, or you just want it as least chaotic as possible, but still have a little bit to it to as much as possible. Same thing with weird. So let me give you imagine same thing. Create a pirate. I don't know why I said let's create a pirate. Should have just said a pirate. We'll put dash dash C. We'll put 50. Just show you the difference. Oh, I wrote it down. I wrote it down wrong. You're supposed to space it. Space then C. Well, you're supposed to put the C next to it, but space out the 50. Just like that. Alright, so this is our product with the chaos parameter. You could definitely see the difference. The initial grids are, of course, changed, but they're changed in such a way where it doesn't really look the same. It's more randomized. We could do the same thing with weird. Let's create a pirate. Weird. 1000. And I'm just giving you the max to just see like the ultimate difference between something as regular as this and then something as, different as this, and then something as different as this one that's about to pop up right here. Okay, this is weird. This is definitely weird. Uh, we got like some cartoon pirate. We have a pirate ship. A pirate. I don't know what this pirate's doing. Maybe he's on an airplane. This looks like an airplane. But why is the wheel all the way over there? What is he? And then you have a pirate. Now it's definitely weird. It's these four photos are definitely not the same as how it was when you don't put the parameter like this. Same with these photos right here. These photos are also different. They're randomized. So yeah, this is different. Now what if I combine these two together? If both C50 and oh, why did I put in 1000? Okay. I mean, that's crazy. This is crazy. So, zombie pirate, uh, mysterious weird pirate, a pirate maybe, or a woman running away from pirates, and then a pirate. But maybe they like you see the little text right here. Maybe they're trying to like provide like a historical context behind that pirate, like what this image is supposed to be, like an informative image. It's weird, and the initial grids are changed. Yeah, it's different. Okay, that's gonna be it. For more information, you could always go to the Midjourney website, which is midjourney.com, and find any parameter that you specifically need to modify and create your own image. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn on Midjourney and this channel so I could be a better help to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.